Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option, how to enable double tap power button function as a shortcut, how to turn it off and how to customize it in Realme 14x phone. First of all, we need to go to our phone settings. Then in settings we're looking for accessibility and convenience menu. Then we need to scroll all the way down to the dynamic button option. First we need to enable dynamic button, and here we have options for our double tap, double press, swipe up, down, etc. So we are interested in the double tap option. So here it is. We can turn it on or off using this switch right here, and we can customize it by opening this menu here, and here we have options to choose from. We have our ringtone options, we can have our camera options, and we can also have our open an app option as well. And that's all.